Email query next. Shashank Pore says that he booked a 1 BHK flat at Indiabulls Golf City at Saroli, Phase 2 in May 2013. Now, this was done via the 80-20 scheme with a total value of 31.5 lakh rupees and a commitment of possession in 2016. Now, the builder has delayed the project and is now committing possession in 2020, that is 4 years down the line. Shashank wants to cancel his booking and get back the money. So when he inquired with the developer, he was told 5% would be deducted as cancellation fee on the whole amount. Shashank says this is coming to 30% of the amount paid and is completely unjustified. How should he go forward? Obviously, it's totally unjustified. The delay is on the part of the developer. He's not wrong cancelling the
Well, I am presuming here that Shashank has not agreed to any such thing. But even if he has agreed, this is a usurious sum of money. So essentially now there would be two ways of looking at this, that either you pay that 30% under protest, get the remainder of your money out and then subsequently litigate on it and say that I have paid this under protest but this is something which is completely wrong, or you don't accept the money now and you fight it out totally. So either ways I think you would need to take this legal, and obviously as we say that Consumer Forum is your best bet. So you choose either of the two, but if you are accepting part payment, please do make sure that you put it on record that you are doing this under protest. Otherwise, you will lose that particular amount of money.
Ensure that you put it on record that you are doing this under protest and then take the money, or else just go to the court directly and fight it out.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.